Here's how you can drag and drop files to design and order wine labels. We'll put the link below to get to the page where you can get started. If you don't have a design, you can choose from hundreds of pre-made wine label designs that you can easily edit to make your own. However, if you do have a design or photo you want to use, click the Get Started button. This is the design tool, and you can simply drag and drop JPEG, PDF, or PNG files right on the canvas. Then use the toolbar on the right to add background color, text, adjust fonts, and more. If you have a file you created in Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other graphics program, save it as a high-resolution PDF or JPEG. Then drag and drop it right on the canvas. Once you're happy with your design, simply click the Add to Cart button at the top right. After you place your order, we'll print and ship out your wine labels within 2 business days. We print wine labels using a durable 7mm synthetic material that is fully waterproof and has a matte coat finish. The labels are easy to apply and have a simple crack and peel backing that exposes the adhesive. If you have questions about our drag and drop wine label maker, email us at info@BottleYourBrand.com and we'll be happy to help. We also have live chat from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday.